Yeah, see it there now. See it there, it's a record now, yes. Yeah, man, an anti-clear thing, you know. More breadfruit again, you know. And you know, jerk pork, festival, roast fish too, you know. Everyone fishy. We know stop with thing, you know, but you know it go, a God bless thing this still. So we are try up back a thing and do it and a God bless. Now, anyone eat your digestion still, because you know, so anti-clear clean woman for a longer time. We no vicious and we no fight against no one. We just do we own thing. My own look thing me try offer, you know. So anyone see this, you know, I love and peace same way. Yard style thing me do. Cause me a fry me festival same place out there too, you know, and two bami. Piece of bami might depend the same way too. You understand? Don't say a word. Jerk pork, sweet. Same way with your roast bread food. Either you use your hand or one fork. Big it up. A clear thing this. Can't stop. You hear? Love you no guys.